In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Exness account. First, sign into your personal area on the Exness website. On the dashboard, look for the prompt that says Complete Profile or something similar and click it to start verification. You'll be guided through a few short sections. Begin with your email. Enter the address you use for the account, hit Send me a code, then check your inbox for a 6-digit code. Type that code exactly as shown and continue. Next, confirm your phone number. Choose whether you want the code by SMS or an automated call. Enter the 6 digits you receive and proceed. You'll now fill in your personal details: first and last name, date of birth, address, and gender. Make sure every detail matches your identification documents character for character. Use your residential address, not a P.O. box, and double-check spelling and numbers before moving on. The economic profile comes next. Answer questions about your source of income, your profession or industry, and your trading experience. These questions are standard compliance checks. Be accurate and consistent. It helps Exness assess suitability and keep the platform secure. Now upload your verification documents. For proof of identity, use a government-issued document such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license. The document must be valid, show your photo and your full name, and be clearly readable. Avoid glare or shadows, include all 4 corners, and don't crop or edit. Files up to 50 MB are accepted, and common formats like JPG, PNG, and PDF work well. For proof of address, upload a recent document issued within the last 6 months, such as a utility bill, bank statement, or tax bill. Your full name and address should be clearly visible, and the document should be complete. No partial screenshots. Some accounts or payment methods may require a 3D face scan. If prompted, allow camera access, use good lighting, remove hats and glasses, keep only your face in the frame, and slowly turn as instructed so the scan captures all angles. After submission, reviews typically take up to 24 hours. You can check your status anytime in the profile section of your personal area. If anything is rejected, Exness will explain why. Correct the issue. Often it's image quality, an expired document, or a mismatch in details, and re-upload. Once approved, your account is fully verified and ready to use with higher limits and smoother deposits and withdrawals.